How to add receipt to Target application. First of all, there are two methods. The first one is the application. So log into your Target account using the app. Tap the My Target icon. It is usually located at the bottom right. Look for the purchase history section. Here you can view both online and in-store purchases. You need to select the specific purchase that you want a receipt for. You will find options to reorder items, manage purchases, or start a return. Unfortunately, invoices are not accessible within the application. For more detailed invoice, or if you are using a computer, you're gonna need to follow these steps. Go to the target.com and log in and click the account button. Select orders to locate your orders under the receipt and invoices. You will gonna find the details that you're gonna need. So that's the process of how you can add receipt to Target application.